Hello everyone. Today we'll see turmeric as a natural indicator. Okay, for this experiment we need lemon juice, turmeric solution and detergent. Turmeric solution means turmeric and water. Okay, so let's start our experiment. First, add little turmeric solution into lemon juice, mix well and observe. Okay, after that add little turmeric solution, detergent, and please observe change in color. Now we'll see what is acid, what is base and what is indicator. An acid is any hydrogen containing substance that is capable of donating hydrogen ions to the other substance, and a base is a molecule or ion able to accept hydrogen ion from an acid, and an indicator is substance that changes its color in acidic and basic medium. That means an indicator shows one color in acidic medium and different color in basic medium. That is why they are called as an indicator. Now let's come to our experiment. So first thing is adding turmeric solution in detergent changes its color in red or orange, that and there is no change in lemon solution. So the turmeric is an indicator that only changes color when added to the base and has no effect when added to an acid. Please like, share and subscribe Magical Science. Thank you.